Alright, so I got me a quarter-pound hot dog, a hoagie, some cheese, and some pepperoni. Got a pizza sauce for $1 at Walmart. Gonna make a pizza dog. Got the oven on 375, so I'm gonna make a pizza after this. So I'm gonna split this dog down the middle. She's thick. Got the ends like that. Forget about it. This hot dog is going to cook in the oven anyway, so I ain't going to cook it before. I'm going to cook it twice. Cut this pepperoni up. Put it inside that hot dog. That pizza sauce. Ooh. Cheese. Back to mama. Put some more pepperoni on top. And she's going in. All right, put a little more sauce on top. Oh shit, forgot that cast iron skillet again, ain't it? All right, back in there for like 10 minutes. Time is up. Bad boy out the oven. Look at that. Woo! That's a pizza dog right there. We'll put a little more sauce on top. This Italian season. Shit. Alright. There it is. The pizza dog. Alright, so I got me the medium ultimate meat pizza from Walmart. It's $8. Used to be $6. The 14 to 16. Used to be 16 to 18 was $8. Now the mediums, $8. So it's going in for $14 to 16 minutes. All right, I'll see you there. Get this Joan out the oven. Woo. All right, there it is. Walmart. Inch pizza. New and improved crust. Just like me, right? Shit. Alright, slice her up. Alright, there it is. $8. Well spent.